Namaste everyone, this is Arya from Soul Waters and I'm here with your monthly guidance for October. So this month what I was guided to do was pull out a message for every zodiac. Okay, now don't worry if you don't know what exactly is your sun sign. I have captioned it when I've done the reading. So this message is not only for October, it kind of puts out a theme there for you based on your sun sign for the last quarter of the calendar year. Okay, so October, November, December. So yeah, I have already drawn the cards for your zodiac. They're face down, so I don't know what is the message for your star sign. So let's begin. Yeah, this is going to be a long video because I'm doing this for like 12 star signs. So what you can do is you can just skip to yours, and maybe then it won't be so long. So beginning with what October looks like for you, Aries, your message from the angels. Oh yeah, I forgot to say that the deck that I have worked with is Messages from Your Angels Oracle Cards deck, because it's a more general, at the same time a very specific and detailed deck. So I thought for the kind of reading I want to do, which is like for the zodiacs, this would be a good deck. So okay, for Aries, your message is from Omega. Okay, the angel Omega, and your message is victory. Your desire is coming to fruition. Keep up the good work. Very simple message, very positive message. So if you've really been working hard and putting in a lot of efforts and patiently awaiting the fruition of your efforts and the manifestation of your desires, this is it. October is a time when your efforts, you'll start seeing the results or the rewards of your efforts. And by the end of the quarter, although this is a theme for the quarter, this guidance is for October. So I will be doing a monthly guidance in November and December. That's different, but it's more like a theme for the next 3 months, as in October, November and December. So yeah, everything is coming together for you. Awesome. Look forward to it. You've earned it and you deserve it. Taurans, for you, this is what October demands. You have Merlina with you. Okay, and the message is you are confused and indecisive because you do not have enough information. Do research or seek expert advice before making a decision. So if you have been all over the place, whether what I'm receiving is someone is confused about which healthcare practitioner is right for them, someone is confused about which job is right for them, many opportunities in front of you, someone is confused about if a particular alliance or relationship is right for them. So in all these situations, just give yourself a little time. Don't rush into anything. Even if from the other side you feel that you are time bound, it's okay. Nothing is worth your peace of mind. So no opportunity that is meant for you will miss you. Okay, so just take your time, do a little more research, talk to people, talk to subject matter experts, or take opinions or guidance from trusted allies, friends, well-wishers, and then make your decision. So it's okay to be confused, but don't rush into a decision. Okay, don't allow the situation to push you or rush you or make you hurry with anything. So in October, Merlina is asking you to just take it a little slow and do your research, proper analysis, so that you can strategize on your way forward. All right. So that was for Taurans. Now for Geminis. Okay. In October, you have with you Angel Rai. And she says yoga and exercise are essential to your well-being, peace of mind, and spiritual growth right now. So this is something that you have already known and probably have been procrastinating or ignoring or neglecting, because we do that. But this especially come for you, Gemini. So please take care of your health, and you don't have to do something drastic. This card is more about movement. Just move. You need movement. So just make sure that you get that movement, sunlight. That's what I'm getting. Hydration. So these are things that you need. So just do it. It doesn't have to be some hardcore 1 hour workout and intense activity. No, just get into the movement mode. That is more important, and then you'll automatically know how you want to take it forward, and how and what is the workout regime that you would want. All right. Okay, Cancerians, for you have Ariel with you. I know the cards are not very clear because of the light reflecting, but I'll read it out to you and I'll obviously explain everything. So Ariel says, new psychic and spiritual experiences are changing the way you view the world and yourself. Allow your spiritual gifts to open through study, prayer and meditation. So if you're reading this and you fall under the star sign of Cancer, in October you will have some spiritual epiphanies or experiences, or something that you have probably not believed in, or spirit will make its presence felt. Okay, like the divine will now pull you on the path of getting to know yourself, or basically turning inwards. Okay, so your gifts are opening. We all have these psychic gifts, but now yours are opening. This is a time for you to actually explore your spiritual powers and gifts. So don't resent it, don't let them scare you. It's very normal and very powerful and extremely beautiful to explore your spiritual gifts. So this is the time when that's going to happen for you. So if any of you have been contemplating getting onto a spiritual path, or taking spiritual courses, yeah, that's a good time to do that. It's a good time to do that. Okay? That being said, we move on to Leos. Okay, Leos, you have Astara with you. Astara says, you deserve the best. Reach for the stars with your dreams and desires and don't compromise. So what I'm getting is, a lot of times we feel that, oh, this is, at least I'm getting this, what if I don't even get this? What if this is also taken away from me? So let me just be grateful for what I have and what I'm getting and just settle for it. So Astara is giving a message saying that, yeah, be grateful for what you have, but you don't have to compromise. You don't have to settle for the second best. You deserve the best. So whatever came to your mind when you heard this message, she is saying that this is not exactly what you deserve. You deserve much better and you know it. So don't settle for less. So October is a time to really work on your self-worth, self-esteem, and know that you will not settle for anything less than the best. So shift yourself to that vibration. Alright, moving on to Virgos. Virgos, in October, you are at the end of a cycle. This is Caressa. She says, you are at the end of a cycle in your life. Call upon your angels to comfort you and to guide you to your next step. Happiness awaits you now. So a lot of times we perceive endings as something bad and sad. And yeah, I mean, it can cause a little grief, because whatever you were familiar with, even if negative or unpleasant, it's at least familiar. It's comfort for the mind. It's a known for the mind. So when that leaves you to make room for something better, it's still the end of a phase, a cycle. Something's leaving you, something's exiting your life, and something better is coming in, right? So Caressa says, take this time, grieve over what's left you, and then get excited about what's coming next, because it's literally like a rebirth, and it's literally like better things are coming your way. So these 3 months are a lot of activity for you, a lot of release and a lot of manifestation, everything together. It's going to happen together. So yeah, get excited. There will be times when you will feel low, and there will be times when you will feel extra joyous, and you'll be confused as to what is happening, but you've been forewarned now, and it's all normal and it's all okay. So just embrace it. Okay. If you're Libran, you have Archangel Raphael with you in October, and he says, I'm helping you heal physical challenges in yourself and others. You are a healer like me. So Librans, you have the healing angel with you. If there is anything, it's not just about physical ailments. If there are any emotional issues that you are facing, if there's anything that is unhealed in your life, he's here healing you right now and healing it. Everything that you perceive as broken or not okay is on the mend. It's being repaired. Okay, so October is a time of healing and mending. So allow yourself to just go with the flow, and when you just go with the flow, you allow the angels and the divine to intervene more openly. They can do it more freely and better. So yeah, all right, so that was Librans. If you're a Scorpio, I don't know why I say Scorpion. So if you're a Scorp, you have Adriana with you, and she says, I'm leading you toward the answer to your prayers. Please listen to and follow the steps I am communicating through your intuition, thoughts and dreams. Alright, Scorps, stop controlling everything. Stop trying to control everything. You've asked your questions, you've asked for guidance, you've asked for a way forward, you've asked for a solution. It's being given to you. Okay, so now open yourself and just follow the guidance that is being given to you in the form of ideas or dreams, or just trust that. Just let go of control. Will take a little getting used to, but you need to do it now. Okay, moving on to Sagittarians. Okay, if you're a Sagittarius, Yvonne is here, and she says that you have a special bond with animals. Your pets on earth and in heaven are watched over by angels. So you are being told that you need to connect with the animal kingdom. Now, even if you're not into animals, or even if you're not into pets, what I'm receiving is try and do a spirit animal meditation, because your animal spirit guides have a lot to offer you. They can really add value to you. So this is the time to connect to the animal kingdom and really take on their really take on their attributes. Okay, now what I am going to do is, there are 3 more signs, and I think I'm going to have to cut the video here, and I will be posting a part 2 of that video, of this video, and I'll cover the other 3 signs there. So do watch out for that, because I think it's going to exceed the time limit. Then I won't be able to upload it. So yeah, I'm going to do the last 3 signs in the next video.